nag-shahada during our iftar. Kuya, di po ba? Ang pangalan niya ngayon is hindi daw siya Ramadan. Okay, sige.
Mubarak na lang.
Lalamunin ko na lang daw muna itong formal program. Mamaya na lang daw sa team building. Okay. So again, good evening everyone and assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mas matigas yung boss ko sa inyo. Lakasan nyo. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Magandang gabi.
Masyaallah. Ang tik.
Ang charge na kayo. Wala pa yung bosses. Okay. Anyway, welcome to the first ever Western Region KSA Year 2024 Get Together and Team Building. With the theme, One Region, One Eagle, we rise to lifting each other towards common goals, one brotherhood. And I would like also to acknowledge the presence, of course, of our beloved Governor, Kuya Miko, and the Vice Governor, Kuya Mahdi. Maraming salamat mga magigiting na kuya ng Western Region at lahat po ng mga officers ng Western Region tonight. So to start our program, may I call upon the Governor of the Western Region to call this program to order. Kuya Miko, please. May I request everybody to please stand up?
The power vested in me as a regional governor, Western Region, now call to order. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kuya Go. Pwede na, huwag na po kayong umupo kasi mahirapan na naman kayo tumayo mamaya. Because we'll start now the program with the Muslim prayer to be followed by the Eagles prayer.